ISI 2023 PA question number 4. Again, the market demand function is the same that we had in question number 300 minus Q. Where P is the market price, Q is the aggregate demand. There are 10 firms now. Cost function. The firms compete in quantities. What is the total deadweight loss? Now, okay, I need to find out deadweight loss. Now, deadweight loss is always calculated from the perspective of efficient production. Efficient production happens in first degree price discrimination of a monopolist and perfect competition. So let's see what happens in perfect competition. P is equal to MC. MC is equal to 1, which is equal to P. So Q is equal to 100 minus 1, which is equal to 99. So we can draw the diagram according to perfect competition. $99, 1. Okay. Now, what is the producer surplus? The producer surplus is 0. There's no profit. So the entire social welfare is nothing but this shaded area, which is my consumer surplus. Okay. Because marginal cost is equal to the price. So the profit is equal to price multiplied by quantity minus the cost, which is the quantity itself. Profit is 0, which is also equal to the producer surplus. So there is social welfare is only equal to the consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is half into 99 into 99. This is 100. 99 into 99 into half. This is the social welfare under perfect competition. Right, so this is the perfect competition. Now let's go into the quantity rivalry, which is the Cournot equilibrium. So the profit of the ith firm is equal to 100 minus summation j not equal to I qj minus qi into qi minus qi. This is the profit of the ith firm. Cost is equal to qi. That's why everything is rhyming today. So this is j not equal to I qj minus 2qi minus 1. Now again, I get the same equation for each and every ith firm. So I can say that qi is equal to q, where I is equal to 1, 2, up to 10. Just put it here, 100 minus, this is all the qj except qi. So 9q minus 2q minus 1. 99 is equal to 11q. Q is equal to 9. Okay. Total quantity is equal to 9 multiplied by the number of firms, 90. Price is equal to 100 minus the total quantity, which is equal to 10. So what can be said about the social welfare? If I am the ad firm, I'm only concerned about my cost. Do you take into account the cost of all firms in a Cournot equilibrium when you find it out? Please don't make such mistakes. So the total in Cournot equilibrium will be price 10 and quantity 90. Now, this upper part will be the consumer surplus. This lower part from 10 to 1, this is the producer surplus or the profit. There is, however, a deadweight loss. The deadweight loss here is this area. This small triangle will be the deadweight loss. This is lost. Social welfare now is basically the consumer surplus, which is half into 90 into 90, which is this upper part. This upper part above the 10. And the producer surplus is this lower part, this lower rectangle that we have. What is lost in the social welfare is this small triangle. So the social welfare in a monopoly, in an oligopoly, is this, plus this is the profit or the producer surplus. So the dead weight loss is this small triangle. This small triangle is basically half into 9 into 9. You don't have to take this and then subtract the social welfare from the PC. You can easily see that this small triangle is half into 9 into 9, and that is my deadweight loss, which is 9 square by 2. So 9 square by 2 is the deadweight loss, which is option B.